Welcome to the Edutrainex PTE Learning channel for another super informative video on PTE tasks, brought to you by your friend and PTE expert Anurag. The last task of the entire PTE test and the eighth and the final task of the listening section is none other than write from dictation. People who don't manage their time well often tend to miss these questions in the end and thereby losing valuable points for both listening and writing section. Yes, you heard me right. This task requires you to type your response from the audio recording of a sentence, and you should type exactly what you just heard. So you will not hear a very long sentence, but it will be something like this.
Could you please pass the handouts to the rest of the people?
Since this recording is just of one sentence, so the audio duration is also short, only 3 to 5 seconds. This task can add valuable points to your overall PTE score, as you can get 3 to 4 write from dictation questions in the actual PTE test. If you're not aware of the other listening questions before this task or any other task in the PTE test, don't forget to watch our video on the new PTE exam format. So after you hear the sentence, you need to type the response in the writing space provided to you. You may recall that any PTE writing task also has similar layout with cut copy paste buttons and total word count. The word counter is not of any use here and is not even used for scoring. It's just for your reference how many words you typed. So you get scored for each correct word that you get right, and there is no negative marking. So your total score for each question will be based on how many words of the total sentence did you get right. For example, if there are 10 words in the sentence and you misspelled or missed or replaced 2 of those words, so you lose 2 out of 10 points, which is 20% of the entire score. So be careful in typing your responses. People are often in a hurry to finish these questions because they are running out of time. Watch our video for each of the PTE tasks from our channel, either the overview or the strategy videos, where we provide you with the maximum or the recommended time for each of the PTE tasks, and if you follow that, you will never run out of time and always finish your test on time. Now, you only get a few seconds before the audio begins, around 3 to 4 seconds. So what can you do in this time? Nothing, right? Well, there is still enough time to take a deep breath and prepare yourself very hard to focus, because you only hear the recording just once. Close your eyes if that helps. To me, it definitely helps. Listen hard and put your entire focus just on listening. And don't ever try to type at the same time while listening. You are definitely going to miss a few things because your mind will play with you. It can only put full focus on one particular activity at a time. That leaves us with a question: how can I remember such a long sentence? And the answer is the same concept used by the Britishers when they colonized India in the 1600s. Divide and rule. So break the sentence in a couple of phrases and then try to remember that. Some people are also able to remember the entire sentence, but majority of us have to use this divisive formula. I'll soon make a full strategy video for write for dictation and show you this concept with many examples that are picked from the real exam. And then it will make more sense to you. And don't forget to do a quick spelling check of what you have just written. Remember, the score that you get for write from dictation also contributes to both your listening and writing scores. So people often type faster to make sure they finish typing before they forget the sentence, which is fair enough. But once you have written your response, come back to it and do a quick spell check and then move on. Don't worry about checking the grammar and punctuation. The official PTE website clearly states that you are only marked for the content here, not other writing parameters. So why not start practicing write from dictation every day, and you will slowly but definitely improve. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. See you soon with more informative videos.